all about Bingham Boat Launch, your gateway to South Lake Leelanau. Located just down the road from Bingham Township Park, the Bingham Boat Launch offers easy access to South Lake Leelanau for boating enthusiasts, anglers, and paddlers. This well-maintained boat launch is a hidden treasure for anyone looking to explore one of northern Michigan's most beautiful lakes. Whether you're looking to launch your fishing boat, kayak, pontoon, whatever it is, the Bingham Boat Launch is your convenient spot to begin your adventure on Lake Leelanau. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Bingham Boat Launch, the frequently asked questions, and how it fits into the broader Leelanau County outdoor scene. What do you need to know about the Bingham Boat Launch? The Bingham Boat Launch is a public facility located on South Lake Leelanau, offering easy access to the lake for various watercraft. Whether you're headed out for the day of fishing, water skiing, or a peaceful paddle, this launch is a prime spot for locals and visitors alike. The main feature is the well-maintained ramp designed to accommodate motorboats, pontoon boats, smaller watercraft like kayaks and canoes. The launch is wide enough to make for an easy access and exit from South Lake Leelanau. Parking. There is a small parking lot available. You'll see it right here behind me. This parking lot is available for vehicles and boat trailers, providing easy access to the boat ramp. Fishing. South Lake Leelanau is known for its excellent fishing opportunities, particularly for species such as walleye, pike, and perch, and bass. The Bingham Boat Launch offers convenient access to some of the lake's best fishing spots. Lake access. While the boat launch itself is focused on watercraft, visitors can also use it as a base for other activities such as kayaking and paddleboarding. Public restrooms. Yes, there is a public restroom. It's right behind me here. It's the pit toilet style restroom, so plan accordingly. All right, some frequently asked questions. Is the Bingham Boat Launch free to use? Yes, the Bingham Boat Launch is free to use. It is a public facility maintained by Bingham Township and available for all locals and visitors to access South Lake Leelanau. What size boats can be launched at the Bingham Boat Launch? The boat ramp is designed to accommodate a variety of watercraft, including motorboats, pontoons, fishing boats, and smaller vessels like kayaks and canoes. The launch is spacious enough to handle larger boats, though it's always wise to assess weather conditions and lake conditions before heading out, of course. Is there parking for boat trailers? Yes, plenty of parking back here. The Bingham Boat Launch offers a small parking lot with spaces for vehicles, towing boat trailers. Arriving early during the busy weekends or summer months is recommended, as parking can fill up very quickly. I'm here on a windy fall day, so that's why the parking lot is empty behind me. You come here on even a better fall day, but certainly a summer day, and this parking lot can be quite full, so plan accordingly. Can I fish from the Bingham Boat Launch? Well, the boat launch is not designed for shoreline fishing. It does provide quick access to prime fishing spots on South Lake Leelanau. Anglers often use this launch as a base to head out onto the lake and fish for walleye, bass. When's the best time to use the Bingham Boat Launch? Well, early mornings and weekdays tend to be less crowded, making for the smoother use of the ramp for both ingress and egress, and for parking, of course. During weekends, especially in the summer, expect much more traffic and for these parking spots behind me to be much more scarce. So plan accordingly. Is there a kayak launch at the Bingham Boat Launch? Yes, kayaks and canoes can easily be launched from the Bingham Boat Launch. It's a great spot for paddlers who want to explore the calm waters of South Lake Leelanau. Why choose Bingham Boat Launch? Well, The Bingham Boat Launch stands out for its convenient location and well-maintained facilities. Whether you're looking to launch for a day of fishing or just a leisurely cruise on the lake, the launch provides quick and easy access to South Lake Leelanau. Its proximity to the Bingham Township Park, which I cover in another video, makes it a great stop for families looking to combine a boating trip with a picnic or other outdoor activities. Some final thoughts here. The Bingham Boat Launch is a convenient and accessible spot for anyone looking to explore South Lake Leelanau by boat. Whether you're setting off for a fishing trip or a paddle or just a leisurely cruise, the boat launch provides everything you need for a great day on the water. Its peaceful surroundings coupled with the natural beauty of South Lake Leelanau make the Bingham Boat Launch a top choice for both locals and visitors in northern Michigan. So the next time you're planning a boat trip in the area, be sure to consider this hidden gem for a smooth and enjoyable experience on the water. And hey, if you got something out of this video, smash that subscribe button and support the channel. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.